The 2015 Tesla Model S gets top well-being evaluations, and Tesla is adding electronic security frameworks to contend better with extravagance brands. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, gave the Tesla Model S 5 stars generally speaking, its most elevated rating, and 5 stars for frontal crash, side crash, and rollover security also. While those appraisals connected to the 2013 and 2014 Model S, there's no reason they should change for 2015. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, be that as it may, has not yet appraised the Tesla. To address a couple of claims in late 2013 coming about because of street flotsam and jetsam that entered the low-mounted battery pack, Tesla now fits a more grounded battery insurance shield under the auto. The 3-component framework secures the pack against for all intents and purposes all such harm, and incorporates aluminum and titanium segments. In the course of the most recent year, Tesla has included some of the further developed electronic security checking, cautioning, and adjustment frameworks offered by the vast majority of the best and extravagance contenders, which were missing on prior Model S autos. These incorporate versatile journey control, path takeoff cautioning, and forward crash cautioning. Stopping sensors and stopping help had already been included, and a reinforcement camera is standard. Automated stopping devices, footing control, and the required tire weight checking framework are standard on the Model S, alongside 8 airbags. The security of the discretionary bag confronting 6th and 7th seats situated in the payload narrows, which hold just little kids in dashing style 4.12-being outfits, is less clear. However, not very many Teslas have those seats introduced, so it might be generally a scholarly inquiry. Frontal and side vision from the driver's seat is great, yet the raked roofline and thick buck columns hurt 3/4 vision. What's more, the steeply calculated window in the back bring forth offers close to an opening in the back view reflect. In any case, that is about the main quibble, and plainly the Tesla must be esteemed one of the most secure autos of any kind available.